Hi! Do you need an AFP National Police Check for your visa? Here are the steps on how to apply. Step 1. Prepare your scan identification documents for a minimum of 100 points. Each document has specific points. For non-English documents, it must be accompanied by an official translation. Documents do not need to be certified unless the translation is being provided. Step 2. Go to the link below. Once you've read and understood the instructions on the page, click the box. Then, click Start New Online Application. Step 3. Provide the documents you prepared by uploading them. Step 4. Select your purpose type. For purpose type, choose Commonwealth Employment or Purpose. For purpose of check, choose Immigration or Citizenship for supply to the Department of Home Affairs. Step 5. Make a payment of $42. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email. You will then receive your AFP National Police Check within 3 to 7 working days. That's it.